Hello Amaze Tech viewers. In this video, let's have a look at Cuktech brand's USB turbo fan. This video is made in collaboration with AliExpress influencer program. Please check the video description for this product's AliExpress buy link and exclusive discount codes. Let's unbox and have a look inside. Packaging looks simple and it has the fan and user manual inside. Build quality of this fan is good. This fan doesn't have inbuilt battery. This fan works when attached to a USB power source. Let's have a look at dimensions of this fan. This fan has 3 speed levels. Level 1 consumes 2 watts. Level 2 consumes 5 watts. Level 3 consumes 10 watts. Level 2 is the comfortable level for most of the usage scenarios. Normal USB fans doesn't give enough airflow in outdoor hot and humid conditions. But this fan with brushless 38,000 RPM motor is able to provide better relief. We recommend buying this adapter to use this fan at outdoors with power bank. We don't recommend attaching this fan to power bank's Type-C port. In emergency scenarios, we can also use this fan with phone's Type-C port. We 3D printed few accessories to use this fan as air blower and mini vacuum. We can use this fan as air blower by attaching the accessory to the white side. We can use this fan as vacuum by attaching the accessory to the blue side. As most of us carry a power bank, we recommend this fan as an essential EDC. We 3D printed a boat DIY which uses this fan as propeller. For this DIY we used a mini power bank from Cuktech as power source. We need to modify this fan slightly to use it as propeller for this boat.